This is an inspirational story called The Law of the Garbage Truck. One day I hopped in a taxi and we took off for the airport. We were driving in the right lane when suddenly a car jumped out of a parking space right in front of us. My taxi driver slammed on his brakes, skid and missed the other car by just inches. The driver of the other car whipped his head round and started yelling at us. My taxi driver just smiled and waved at the guy, and I mean he was really friendly. So I asked, "Why did you just do that? This guy almost ruined your car and sent us to the hospital." This is when my taxi driver taught me what I now call the law of the garbage truck. He explained that many people are like garbage trucks. They run around full of garbage, full of frustration, full of anger, and full of disappointment. As their garbage piles up, they need a place to dump it, and sometimes they'll dump it on you. Don't take it personally. Just smile, wave, wish them well, and move on. Don't take their garbage and spread it to other people at work, at home, or on the streets. The bottom line is that successful people do not let garbage trucks take over their day. Life's too short to wake up in the morning with regrets, so love the people who treat you right. Forgive the ones who don't. Life is 10% what you make it and 90% how you take it. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and the notification bell for new updates every week.